अच्छा जी, ये है बाबूसर टॉप. So Babusar top, we don't know what is the elevation for this meadow, but we'll find out shortly. Okay जी, ये है बाबूसर टॉप. Boy, beautiful landscape in the background, unbelievable scenery, absolutely stunning view. People have poured in from many places, enjoying the tourism here in KPK. ये जी बाबूसर टॉप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. Finally we have reached the top peak of our trip. Babusar top, beautiful. Beautiful drive. We are still trying to figure out the name of these mountains. Actually, there are so many mountains that surrounds this entire region. Hard to figure out. They are all the same. They look the same. They all have very sharp spike peaks. Most of them are covered with snow, if you can see them in the far distance. But certainly they are presenting a beautiful view. Little afternoon, it's 4:38 p.m. local time, and we just cannot say enough of it. That's wonderful, beautiful, adorable. हम लोग कहाँ से गुजरेंगे इस वक्त? हाँ, गौहराबाद is about 60 kilometers before Gilgit. I am told that we should be witnessing Diamer power dam that is under construction. We are not too far from that site. Once we get there, if the permission is granted, we would be able to record some videos and share with our audience, because we have heard that there are some rumors, people thinking that the funds were collected, donation was collected, but Diamer Bhasha was never even constructed or work started. Obviously, it was a huge project that would have cost several billions of rupees in dollars as well. And some people are still spreading fake news that it was just a spam. Actually, it was not, and we will show you the proof of it in a very short while once we get to the site. अच्छा बस जी, इंशाल्लाह हम लोग अभी बाबूसर टॉप से नीचे उतर रहे हैं. ये जो बेहतरीन खूबसूरत मंजर आपको नज़र आ रहा है, ये है जी, इट्स गोइंग टुवर्ड चिलास यहाँ से है कोई 33 kilometers from here, and the drive is pretty steep. We are going downwards hill. Valley is beautiful. People are beautiful, and they are very hospitable. The only difference is that they're only here like 3-4 months in a year. Rest of the time they spend in the city or the town called Chilas. Lifestyle is pretty daunting. If you can see in the mountain across, these are their summer homes. And these summer homes are meant for their primarily business season, and they are pretty equipped for for doing any kind of business. You know, whether if you have a waterfall, they would start washing their cars. If they have a seasonal fruit, they will start selling their fruits. Look at these young dudes. They are selling eggs. And I think every one of them is making a decent living. I have seen KPK police patrolling the roads fairly frequently. I think that gives a pretty good sense of confidence to the travelers that they can travel during the day and night time. I think there is a restriction that you cannot drive at night time, and the reason being because the roads are pretty steep and they want to make sure that people can make it safely. And that's all we have. Until next time, stay tuned. City is it, but that is the city somewhere between Chilas and Gilgit. Gives us a beautiful view of few green spots here and there, but for the most part it's all dry, rocky and scary mountains. ये हैं जी हमारे हेड कोच. आज की जो फ्लाइट है फ्रॉम Chilas to Gilgit. So he would be the chief captain. Assalamu alaikum, captain. कैसे हो? ठीक ठाक. आपने वीडियो का नहीं सोचना, सिर्फ नज़र रोड पे रखनी है, ठीक है ना? ड्राइव करते रहे. और सो फार आपको नींद तो नहीं आई ना? नो. क्योंकि मैंने देखा अक्सर आप ड्राइव करते हुए सो जाते हैं. आप सो ना जाए. ऐसा कब? ऐसा अल्लाह करे कभी ना हो. लेकिन चूँकि आपके ख़ानदान में ख़ास तौर पर ननिहाल वाली साइड पर लोग अक्सर सो जाते हैं, तो मैंने कहा आपको बता दूँ. क्योंकि हम लोग तो अक्सर सो जाते हैं. हमें बताया गया जी कि आप तो गाड़ी चलाते हुए भी सो रहे होते हैं आंखें खोल के. तो आप ज़रा आंखें भी खोल के रखना और दिमाग भी है. आंखें भी खुली और दिमाग भी खुले इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह करे कि आपका दिल भी खुले ताकि आप हमें मेहरबानी करके खाना खिला दें. तभी खिलाते आप ओके. राइट, एंजॉय कर. Welcome to Gilgit-Baltistan. Finally we have reached our semi-destination. The next destination is Hunza. We are passing through the main thoroughfare of Gilgit-Baltistan. So happy to see beloved part of Kashmir here in Gilgit-Baltistan. Lovely place, lovely people, and lovely background.